Hello, guys, and today we are going to be playing Animal Hospital. The first thing that I've noticed about this game that I just joined is my first time, I think, and I don't like that. But whatever. Okay, let's pick this one. This one. Let's see if anyone wants to join. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Please. I think I just accidentally went into the wrong server. Oh God. And it's filled with girls. Ugh. You know what? Not ugh. Well, I'm not doing anything because they are going to try and kill me. That's the first patient. Sup? I'm Furman Lim. I want to check it as a patient. Oh my God. Well, this should be pretty easy. Just keep my sanity up and talk to the people, do the surgery. Room 1, okay. Well, keep going. Keep going. Keep on going. Now listen. Yo, if I die, the video ends. Alright? Just letting you know that. Stomach ache. Alright, nothing wrong with the patient. It's not an anomaly or anything. Because I have played this game before, I think. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, you're not an anomaly. It's great to hear. Well, great to see. Are the myths real? Hey, you look kind of scary, dude. What are you? Anomaly? Everything looks pretty normal. Like, there's absolutely nothing. Dried eye. So that explains that. The doctor's arriving. Why is there an anomaly in the room? The heck? Or in the thing? You must be the new hire. I'm Dr. Harlow. Some advice, if things get strange, just keep working. I will fix up the shutters and security cameras for you. See what you're gonna do, doctor. Well, what are you gonna do? What are you doing? Hey! Shift 2? Shoot. Oh, it closed. But the doctor went in there. the patient. Okay, now that just looks creepy. Why the heck did that just scare me? Okay. If there is no voice on this video, I will. Oh, never mind. Never mind. Okay, let me just change my sanity real quick. What is that? I'd rather buy a gun and shoot that thing. Hurry up and brew the coffee. I want to change my sanity number. I don't want to say. Stop scaring me with these stupid anomalies, dude. Why are they... Whenever I see them, they like absolutely scare me. What? I have an appointment. Oh, that is an anomaly. That is an anomaly. This is an anomaly, and I know that. I'm killing it. I know. If there's an anomaly in the room, and this is an anomaly. You kidding? I'm not taking that. Because I'm not absolutely dying today. Okay. Don't give it. I just killed the anomaly. Who is this? No. Wait, dehydration. Now I just feel bad. Well, why do you kind of look like an anomaly? Never mind. Hi, doctor. I'm about to close it. Close the shutter. It just closed. Yes, 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 yes. Oh my god. Oh my god. Not they just stole everything. They just stole everything. My sanity. Hurry up! The heck? Who is this? You're an anomaly, and I knew that. Something's off with this person. Okay. Normal. Wait, the visitor what now? The trash. Dang. The heck is that? Yo, if I see any, yo, it is the morning time. If I scream or die, or, well, if I die or leave the game, I lose the chat. You have to be normal. Come on, dude. Hurry up, my sanity's going down. Okay. Okay. Room 5. The heck? I just saw something really tall. Nothing's in this room, right? Perfect. There's absolutely nothing. If I see that shadowy figure again, I'm walking straight up to it. Bleeding. Bandage. Bondage. You're healed. Yeah, I'm not even the only one in the server. Y'all. You idiot! How would you take the coffee? Why? Why, bro? Anna, why would you take the coffee, though? You could have saved it. I mean, I would have drunk it by now. I'm on shift 3 already. Hurry up. Please, I'm losing my sanity and I'm about to have a seizure. It's taking this thing 2 minutes. I'm gonna shut it here. Bye. What the? Mom? Yo, they're trying to remove him. I know this guy's an anomaly. I'm just gonna put him with the wrong ingredients. I know that. Or if we fix him somehow, we might be able to fix this dude. Yeah, feed him with the wrong medicine. I'm not giving you. I'm just gonna step on you and your stupid little head. Take that. Give him the wrong one. Kill him. Die. You disintegrated. Alright, who's next? Hi, camera. Okay. You idiot! I'm just about to die.